Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Tests to detect carbon monoxide poisoning. Sailor's test, Kunkel's test, spectroscopy are the best tests to detect carbon monoxide poisoning. Take a test tube with 15 ml of water and add 2 drops of blood from the patient of carbon monoxide poisoning, and the color is changed to bright red. Then it is carbon monoxide poisoning is seen. Medico-legal importance. Carbon monoxide poisoning is used to commit suicide, though it is rarely seen in India, but it is more common in the West. Cyanide poisoning.
thank you and thank you for watching.